Welcome to Pune District Education Association's Institute of Technology, Hadapsar, Pune. Warm welcome to Department of Mechanical Engineering. Here are the vision and mission statements of Department of Mechanical Engineering along with program outcomes and program specific outcomes. In mechanical engineering, students have to learn about 41 subjects during their 3-year course. Out of these 41 subjects, 28 subjects are having theory exams and remaining 11 subjects are having only practical and term works. On an average, in each semester, students have to face 6 to 7 subjects. This is our machine shop. Here different machines are there: sensitive drilling machine, radial drilling machine, then shaper machines, gear cutting machines, and different types of lathe machines. On the lathe machine, we can perform the operations like turning, threading, knurling. Here is our CNC lab. In CNC lab, we have two machines, CNC milling and CNC turning. With the help of the CNC machines, we can perform the operations with more accurately and with very fast way. This is our applied mechanics lab. Here are some equipments like universal force table, differential axle and wheel, then worm and worm wheel, simple screw jack. Here is simple supported beam reaction. Now moving towards the next lab, that is SOM, strength of materials. In SOM lab, we have some equipments like impact test machines, then universal testing machines and hardness testers. Now here is FMM lab, fluid mechanics and machineries lab and power engineering lab. In fluid mechanics lab, there are many equipments like minor losses equipment, then flow through pipe equipments, Bernoulli's theorem setup, then Pelton wheel turbine, then this is centrifugal pump test rig, and reciprocating pump test rig, as well as orifice meter test rig. Now moving towards the next lab, that is the refrigeration and air conditioning lab. Here in this lab we have water cooler test rig, then cut section of the refrigerator, air conditioning cycle test rig, window AC, portable refrigerator, then refrigeration cycle test rig. This is one more window AC and ice plant test rig. Now next lab is power engineering lab. This is disassembly of 4-stroke petrol engine. All the parts are shown here. This is the disassembly of 4-stroke diesel engine. This is one more disassembly of 2-stroke petrol engine. All the parts in the petrol engine are here dismantled and shown. This is the single cylinder 4-stroke diesel engine test rig. This is 2-stage compressor test rig. This is the exhaust gas analyzer used to measure the emissions from the vehicles. Next lab is automobile engineering lab and thermal engineering lab. In thermal engineering lab, there are some boiler models. First one is Lancashire boiler, then next one is Babcock Wilcox boiler. This is La Mount boiler, and this one is a locomotive boiler. These are the models of the boilers. This is Cochrane boiler model. This is nuclear power plant model. These are some condenser section. Under the automobile lab, we have some equipments, some models. First one, this is synchromesh gearbox. Next transmission system is differential gear wheel. These are the engine sections. This is the two-wheeler lighting systems and their parts. This is steering mechanism in the automobile. This is the hydraulic braking system in automobile vehicles. This is the battery ignition system in the vehicles. Now next lab is engineering metrology lab and theory of machine lab, that is TOM lab. This is chain drive mechanism. Along with these are some other mechanisms on which we perform some practicals under the subject theory of machines. This is the Ackermann steering gear mechanism. This is disc brake, then single plate clutch, centrifugal clutch, band and block brakes, rope belt drive models. This is cam and follower models. This is static and dynamic balancing setup. This one is universal governor apparatus. Now the next lab is engineering metrology lab. Metrology means measurement of different parameters by using different equipments like vernier caliper, micrometer, as well as some gauges and so on. So all these equipments are here, which are used in this particular lab to measure the different parameters. This is height gauge. This one is profile projector. This one is toolmaker's microscope, and this is monochromatic light unit. This is our computer lab. Here we learn about the different design softwares like AutoCAD, CATIA, as well as we learn here fundamental of ICT, that is fundamental of computers, which subject you are going to learn in first semester. This is our drawing hall.